Hello everyone. On 2nd October 2015, our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi started Swachh Bharat Mission. To take an initiative in his mission, we the students of VIDYAGYAN Leadership Academy Sitapur have prepared this model.
Many people did not wash their hands. They think that their hands are clean and they eat everything without washing their hands and they fall sick. To make them aware about the importance of washing hands, we have created a microscopic project named as KITANU JANCH.
Now I will tell you how our model works. First we will ask the person to wash his hands in the water. Then we will collect that water in this syringe. Then the water droplet will be suspended here. Then we will pass that laser beam through the water droplets. And the microbes present in the water droplet will be visible on the screen.
You can see our working model. The water in the syringe has been filled after washing my own hands, and you can see the number of microbes present in my hand on the screen.
I think our idea is unique because many people can be saved from falling sick and people will easily understand the importance of washing hands. We wish to sell this model with the brand name KitanuJanch at the price of 250 INR only. Thank you all.